امریکا د اشرف غني لومړي مرستیال امرالله صالح ته ویزه ورنه کړه ترڅو د حمدالله محب سره واشنګټن ته سفر وکړي. دوی ته مسؤلیت سپارل شوی چې د راتلونکي مرحلې په اړه د امریکایي چارواکو ذهنیتونه جوړ کړي او د هغوی څخه خواست وکړي چې خپل ځواکونه دې نه باسي، خو دا کار اوس یوازې محب ته ورلغاړي دی.
Good afternoon. I'm Hussein Haqqani. I'm Director for South and Central Asia here at the Hudson Institute, and on behalf of the Hudson Institute, a warm welcome to all of you. It's a pleasure today for us to host Dr. Hamdullah Mohib, the National Security Advisor of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Our other guest, former Interior Minister Amrullah Saleh, could not make it to the United States because of travel difficulties, which many of us are sort of very well aware of the circumstances that result in those difficulties. But I think that Afghanistan will be well represented here by Dr. Mohib, who served as Afghanistan's ambassador to the United States not long ago. Mr. Amrullah Saleh, who was also going to join us for the discussion, is a vice presidential candidate, served as head of Afghanistan's intelligence service, and served as interior minister. He also served as state minister for security reforms. Since he could not make it, I persuaded him to send me a written statement, which I'll read out after Dr. Mohib has given his presentation. So, Ambassador Mohib, please go ahead.
Absentee first and have him read.
If you want.
If he's not here, at least we'll give him that.
Okay, fair enough. Okay. So this is Minister Amrullah Saleh's written statement that I am reading on his behalf. Greetings from Afghanistan. I want to extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to Ambassador Hussein Haqqani for inviting me to speak at Hudson Institute. I wish I could have made it and utilized this chance to have more interactive discussion with all of you.